Alright, so working on the 24 GMC Sierra. This is a 2500 6.6 diesel. And we had an issue where the keyless entry would not work on this truck. We tried everything, we reset a bunch of codes, tried a lot of different stuff. We had an issue with the keyless antenna, which was replaced with a brand new one, and deleted the codes, and a bunch of stuff just kept coming up. Not coming up, but like the keyless would not work. No matter what you do, it just would not work. So the trick is, I'm gonna press the unlock and lock button. Okay, now let it go. Now I'm gonna test it. So that worked. Okay, and then I'm gonna test the tailgate, but it's, you can't really show you here how it works. There you go.